Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Oplo Loans Review My Usage Experience. Oplo Loans Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to compare different loan options from various lenders. Its main purpose is to help users find the best personal loan that suits their needs and financial situation. Key features likely include a loan comparison tool, lender reviews, and possibly resources to help users understand loan terms and interest rates. Their website provides details on the specific features available. Their website highlights the ease of use of their comparison tool, emphasizing pricing transparency and the ability to filter results based on various factors like loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. They position themselves as a helpful resource to navigate the often complex world of personal loans, offering a streamlined way to compare options and potentially save money. Availability is nationwide, as far as I can tell from their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Oplo Loans Review My Usage Experience. I needed a personal loan to consolidate some debt, and Oplo was recommended to me by a friend. Getting started was a breeze. The website is clean and intuitive. The loan comparison tool was incredibly helpful. I simply entered my desired loan amount and credit score, and it instantly generated a list of potential lenders with their respective interest rates and terms. I particularly appreciated the ability to filter by loan type, repayment period, and even lender reputation based on their user reviews. The entire process of comparing options took about 15 to 20 minutes. The presentation of the information was clear and concise, making it easy for me to understand the nuances of each offer. I didn't have any direct interaction with their customer support, but their FAQ section was thorough and answered all my preliminary questions. One minor drawback was that some lenders listed weren't available in my specific state. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear and concise presentation of information. It made a potentially overwhelming task surprisingly straightforward. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience. Oplo Loans Review My Usage Experience significantly simplified the loan application process, saving me considerable time and effort. That's my overview of Oplo Loans Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.